too lengthened or too shortened. It should be little optimal in position. Optimal. Optimal means in the mid range. If your bicep says this is a flexion, full flexion, and this is the extension, I have to maintain it in a little optimal position for checking the biceps reflex. So what is the ideal position to go for this? Okay, you take here, first check the range of movement, whether it is full or not. Okay, then give the support. Can you please? Relax. Be relaxed. Be relaxed. And palpate the tendon of biceps. Now you can't go for, see, if it is the smaller tendon, go for this. If it is little bigger, go for the bigger. Okay? And here you can't directly palpate on the tendon. Can't directly palpate on the tendon. So you have to keep your thumb or finger, be relaxed. Okay? Then, okay? You can feel slight contraction of biceps or slight movement. Okay? And generally, people, if you are doing some reflex, they will concentrate on that. Then you won't get that because voluntarily they will control. So what you will do, ask him here is, there is a maneuver called Gendrasic maneuver. What is that? Gendrasic maneuver. Ask the person to clench the teeth. Now, do this. Turn like that. Come on, do it. Do it. Okay? Come. Get the. Now you can feel the difference. Okay? Now if you sit there, you can't see anything. If you sit there, you can't see anything. Come closer and watch. What you will do there? What you are eating or what? It is a buffet or what? Huh? Come on, relax. Okay. Now, clench your teeth. Okay, very mild. He is again contracting. Be relaxed. So what will happen here is, if you do this, he will concentrate on that. He will neglect this. That's why you have to be here. Again he is contracting and he is holding. Because he is a normal person, he can voluntarily contract that. Okay? Yes. So what you have to do is that, otherwise, if you are doing for leg, do this, tight, very tight. Okay? It should be little flexed. Hey, do it. Okay, do this as well as this. Okay? Okay, do.
عندك رباط.
No sensation.
No reflection. No problem. No. Wait. Relax. Be relaxed.
جيب لنا مويه حاره سلطان.
Press it.
عديم احساس.
Here. Palpate. Strike. Hey, only once. He's controlling. A lot of people are standing and he is getting fear. Okay, so that is about quadriceps. Generally, you can get that. See, if a person is in bedridden, you try to make it here, little flexed. Okay? Then try to palpate here. You will have minimal contraction. Okay? Next is what? Hamstring. This is what for hamstring. Okay? So you have to, and you will get very mild contraction. Either you can get contraction or very mild this. Better always ask the person to do this or this. So you will concentrate on that. He won't control it. Next is what? Ankle. Be relaxed. You do that. Try to do that.
Deep breathing.
No, do this. Okay, so again you are checking for. So here you can appreciate the movement here. If you tap, you can have that movement. If there is no movement, a reflex. Okay, so that is for patellar reflex, hamstring reflex, and for plantar. And how will you check for triceps? Triceps. Yeah, like that, or you can just clench your teeth. Okay, so you can palpate here for the tendon. Keep your finger and try to tap on that. Okay, tap on that.
Tap on my finger.
Yeah, you have to tap. You can't because you don't know where is the tendon. You can't directly tap the tendon like that. Better, got that? But only it will come for 1 or twice. Third time it will accommodate. So always check for 1 or twice. That's all. Don't beat like this till you will get it. Never. Okay. So before that, give proper orientation to the patient. Okay. And one more reflex here is brachioradial supinator jerk. You can either palpate here or you can do it on here. So you will have light supination. I'm sorry. It will go for supination slightly. He is very weak. Only I can palpate bone. Okay, so it will go for slight supination. So that is an supinator jerk. Okay, you know this jaw jerk. Okay, so jaw jerk. And how to check for reflexes? Reflex. Okay, so I am not. So let it be. This is the umbilicus. I am just showing in random. This is the umbilicus. This is upper, this is lower. Again, upper right, upper left. Lower right, lower left. So here, if you do the, can you see that abdominal contraction? The abdomen will contract towards that side. If I am doing on this side, can you see that abdominal contraction? Yeah, it will do. Okay? So, but you should not do on the clothes. Okay?
Remove.
Then you open. No problem. Hey. Nothing will happen. No. Off.